So, here's a problem every indie developer knows way too well. You spend weeks, sometimes months, building an app. Finally hit publish on the App Store or Play Store. And then what? You're supposed to also be a copywriter, social media manager, and a community mod for 5 different platforms, all in the same afternoon you ship. Most solo devs either post one generic, "Hey, I made this app, check it out," everywhere, which basically gets ignored, or they just don't promote it at all, and the app dies quietly with 12 downloads. That's the exact problem we built LaunchCopilot to solve. LaunchCopilot is an AI launch copilot for indie devs. You give it one link, your App Store or Play Store listing, and it reads that listing, writes platform native launch copy for 5 different channels, builds you a 7-day promotion plan, and then, this is the part I'm actually proud of. It doesn't stop at writing. It actually publishes the post for you, live, on schedule. Let me just show you instead of talking about it. So I'm going to paste in Netflix Play Store link here. It obviously use your own app here. I'm using Netflix since it's a link everyone recognizes. No form, no manual typing out your app's description or category. Just paste the link and hit launch it. And there it is. It already pulled the app name, the category, the description, even the icon, straight from the store listing. Zero typing on my end. Now, here's the actual launch kit. 5 channels. App Store / Play Store optimization, X, LinkedIn, Product Hunt, and Reddit. What I actually care about here isn't just that it writes something. It's that it writes something native to each platform. For X, it knows not to put a link in the very first tweet because that tanks reach on the algorithm. For Reddit, it writes in an actual dev voice and discloses that it's self-promotion, so it doesn't get auto-removed by mods. And you can see these little check chips on each card. That's the AI basically showing its work. Titles under 30 characters, no link in tweet 1, subreddit rules check. You're not just trusting a black box. You can see exactly what rules it followed. Below the kit is the 7-day promotion plan, a day-by-day checklist telling you exactly what to post and where. So you're never sitting there on day 4 wondering what you're supposed to be doing. It's sequenced perfectly for this app's category, not just a generic template. And now the part that actually makes LaunchCopilot different from just asking ChatGPT for some copy autopilot. This isn't a mock-up. I've connected my accounts and armed autopilot. This post is scheduled to go out later today. There's a daily cron job running in the background that checks what's due and fires it automatically, with 0 clicks from me once it's armed. So this one's cute for now, but let me actually show you what a completed one looks like from an app I set this up on earlier. This is Duolingo from earlier. Same exact flow. And here you can see the post actually went live. And that's the real post, sitting live right now, published entirely by LaunchCopilot on schedule. No manual posting, no copy pasting into the app myself. Let me just go back to Netflix. There's also a tracking section. After posts go live, you log your installs or click per channel right here. Once there's enough data, an optimizer looks at which channel is underperforming, comes up with the hypothesis for why, and rewrites just that channel's copy. So it's not a one and done generator. It closes the loop between what you wrote and what actually worked. On pricing, free gets you one complete launch kit, no card needed. Once you're shipping your second app, which is the whole point if you're a serial builder, Pro is 499 rupees a month. That's less than the cost of one freelance copywriter for a single launch. And it unlocks unlimited apps, the 7-day plan, and autopilot publishing across every channel. So, that's LaunchCopilot. Paste a link, get a launch kit written for how each platform actually works, and let it run your launch on autopilot while you go build your next thing. Thanks for watching.